Hello everybody, and I hope you guys are all doing well. And today we'll be talking about something very interesting, and which will be how we can get your domain name and hosting. Okay, so in our last class we discussed about what domain names are and hostings are. All right, we discussed about domain name extension, how to the perfect way that you can use your domain name extensions. So today guys, without no further waste of time, we should jump into our class and we'll discuss a lot about how you can get your domain name and hosting. Okay, so now here let's go. Like you can see in my screen now, I have here one of the best hosting sites, which is bluehost.com. Right, so I have bluehost.com. So how do you manage to come here? You go to your browser, this URL section, you type in bluehost.com, then it will bring you here. So the first thing that you need to do guys, when wanting to build a website, first you need to check for the availability of your domain name and hosting. All right, so now, because this is very important, you don't just go and try to buy a domain name and you don't know whether it is free or it isn't. Okay, so the first thing you need to check for the availability. Now you can check on the Bluehost here. So what you do, we just scroll down and you search for the availability here, like the ask in the search bar, say type the desired domain here. Okay, so for instance, let's just do go with let's do star afrique. Okay, star afrique, starafrique.com. So this is our extension. We'll leave this extension here and just check for the availability. Okay, so click on search. So what we are doing, we are checking for the availability of the domain name first. Okay, okay, look at what they've said here. Star afrique is unavailable. Okay, they say star afrique is not available. This is very important guys when you're building a website, especially when you're building a website for your client. You need to ask them for their desired domain name first before you purchase. Okay, let's just tweak the domain name a little bit. Let's do star afrique star afrique ex. Okay, congrats, your domain name is available. Yes, this is what we are looking for. All right, so this site is like an e-commerce site just for domain names and hosting. Like you see an add to cart button here. uh, Now how do you go ahead to purchase this domain? We've already accepted that we are purchasing the .com extension for this domain, and like you can see, they're giving the prices here. The domain name is about $9.99, and the .net, the domain name is about $18.99. All right, so for our domain name, the .com domain name, you can see from here, where my cursor is. You can see from here, shopping cart, we have starafriquex.com. Domain name purchase 1 year, you have $12. Then with privacy and protection is over $11. That means the total is $24. Right, this is quite cheap. This is quite cheap for your domain name and hosting. Now how do you proceed? You click on the proceed button. All right, so they're asking us if we need anything else. So I think we'll just continue with this because this is our plan. The plan we are purchasing for the $24 plan comes with one website, 50 gig storage, SSL certificates. We'll come to learn about this when we are talking in our upcoming videos. We have to talk about these subdomains a lot, but this is quite okay. All right. So when you are purchasing your domain name, what you need to include in your plan is always the storage. First of all, it's always the storage, WordPress installation. I think WordPress installation comes with every domain, and most importantly, you need to do the site security certificates. All right. So subdomains are an advantage, but if you're building a single website, you need to consider certification, site security certification first. Okay. Now you come here. This is our business center. To buy our domain name now, to proceed, we come and click on proceed with 30 days trial of hosting. All right. You can proceed with 30 days trial of hosting. Because we selected our 1 month plan, we can say proceed with this. Okay. Now here is where you're going to, so what we've done is, so here you can proceed with 30 days trial and hosting. All right, that means the domain will expire after 30 days, then you'll be paying less. So we'll go with the proceed with 30 days trial without proceed with without 30 days trial of hosting, guys. All right, so you click on this and it takes you here. Okay, so here is simple. Here you're going to input your personal details and your bank details. Right, so I come here and I'll just, my details have already been stored in my machine. So when if I click at my on my email address, you see my email address, as enter your email address here, enter your name, enter your last name, enter street, enter, so enter everything about you here. Now payment method. All right, payment method. So payment method, you choose the method you want to pay with. All right, you can choose PayPal, and the proceed with PayPal. You can choose Visa. All right, so most of the times we pay with Visa, our Visa cards. If you have a bank card, maybe African, maybe UBA, you can pay with this. All right, so you add your card number, card security, uh, the months, the month your card is going to expire, and the year of you're going to is the year your card is going to expire. As simple as that. They click on purchase now. All right, so I haven't clicked this. It is showing me a warning sign here, reason being that I haven't put in my details here. Okay, so basically guys, after clicking on this, after clicking on purchase now, after filling in the right information here that Bluehost want you to put in, you click on purchase now. All right, a message is going to pop up. They're going to take you to a site where they'll give you your domain name details. All right, so this can take a little bit of time. All right, so like some few minutes while they prepare your domain name and your hosting. All right, so you need to prepare a space for you in the cloud where you can store your website in. Okay, this is very simple and straightforward from here. All right, so I'll head over to my email and show you how your your domain name and hosting data comes. All right, details, sorry, your domain name and hosting details comes in. All right, so I'll click on a new tab here, and there definitely click on my email, Gmail. Yeah. Okay, here we go, guys. So this is how you, after purchasing your domain name and hosting, this is how your details come. All right, so the only difference here is this was from a different hosting company, which I'm going to talk about it later. So oh, this was from a different company, not basically Bluehost, but Bluehost does the same thing. Okay, so it comes like this. All right, it creates your account in the cloud with your domain name and with your hosting links. All right, so we come here, we have the name of the website, is the domain name for the website was fastway.com. All right, it's a logistic tracking website, and the username is fastway. I'll come to show you this in our subsequent videos. And the password here is our password. Okay, so now this is our saver where we saved our email. This is the contact email for the website. Okay, so basically that's how you get your domain name and hosting, guys, as simple as that. So in this Alright guys, so basically this is how you get your domain name and hosting. Okay, so in our next video I'm going to show you how you can get a free domain name and hosting for your web design practice. Now like I've been saying, you all need a domain name and hosting for your web design practice. So if you cannot purchase a paid domain name and hosting, watch the next video very keenly and go ahead and practice and get your free domain name and hosting. See you in class. Peace.